Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a 5 minutes makeup routine challenge. So guys, if you want to see how I challenge myself to do my makeup in 5 minutes, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, for my primer, I'll be making use of Nivea Men Poche Balm as my primer, and I'll go ahead to apply it on my face. So guys, after that, I'll be applying my foundation, making use of Classic Makeup Foundation. And then I'll go ahead to apply it on my face. Making use of a beauty blender, I'll go ahead to blend it all out. So guys, you guys can see how I'm blending out the foundation, okay? You have to ensure that you cover up your skin or your face properly. Making use of enough foundation if the foundation you are using is not a full coverage foundation like mine. So guys, after blending out my foundation, I'll go ahead to highlight my face, making use of this highlighter, making use of this concealer, and the areas of my face that I highlighted are underneath of my eyes, my eyelid, okay, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my cupid bow, okay. And then I'll go ahead to blend it all out, making use of the same beauty blender I used. So that you just need to dab it into your skin to blend it out, okay? You don't need to move out, you don't need to move the concealer at all. And so guys, to set my face, I'll be making use of this loose powder, okay? It's a translucent loose powder. And I'll go ahead to apply it all over my face, making use of a powder brush, okay? So guys, you just need to apply the powder all over your face in order to set your face and makeup. So guys, I'll be contouring my face, making use of this pressed contour powder, and there are the areas I am contouring, okay? So guys, after contouring my face, I'll be applying some blush. I'll be making use of the blush in the middle there. You just need to smile, then apply the blush on the apple of your cheeks, okay, while blending it out in a circular motion. So guys, I'll be going in to my brows now, making use of this brow gel, okay. And then guys, you guys know the rule. Draw the underneath of your brow, draw the above, and fill it in. Then coming to the front part, you're going to give it a little bit of a hair stroke. And so guys, I hope you guys is going to like this 5 minutes makeup challenge. Okay, I challenge myself in order to do a full face makeup in 5 minutes. And so guys, moving over to my eyes, I'll be making use of this Huda Beauty Desert Dogs palette. And then I'll be going in with the color called Royal. Okay guys, I'll go ahead to place it on my lid and also on my crease. So guys, I did a little bit of a smoked out wing eye look. Okay guys, making use of that color there, Royal. So guys, after applying it, I'll go in with that color there, okay, in order to blend out, okay, the color as my transition color. And then I'll go ahead to apply some mascara on my lower lash. I'll as well apply some mascara on my lashes, okay. So guys, I'll go ahead to highlight my face, making use of this loose highlighter. And then to line my lips, I'll be making use of this lip liner I got on AliExpress. Okay, guys. Guys, you just need to line your lips like usual. Okay. And then for my lipstick, I'm making use of this NYS Liquid Matte lipstick. Okay. And then I'll go ahead to apply it on my lips. And so guys, yeah, that is the finished look. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Check out my video on how I did this braidless crochet hair my hair. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.